Here we go.
Unexpected. The flight is full to Russia.
I know.
So we've arrived at the Russian tea room where we're going to have a traditional Russian dinner. This is the inside of the Russian tea room. The host has insisted that he has seated us at the same table where the Romanovs were all murdered. I'm not going to believe him, but who knows? The ceiling is gold. I don't know if you can tell, but it is gold. It really is. It is amazing. So it's very exciting for us to be here at the Russian tea room, where we're very happy to say that we pretty much have the restaurant mostly to ourselves. I guess that's why Open Table gave us 1,000 points for taking a reservation at 7:45 p.m. Happy to take those 1,000 points. Can't wait for dinner. Well, apparently we enjoyed the borscht and the BLINI. So far, we're having a successful meal at the Russian tea room. For dinner, I'm having a delicious lamb chops. And my husband is having
The New York strip steak, and it looks delicious.
Jeff is returning to tell me something very serious about the chef. He has just learned in the
I've
kitchen.
just come back from the basement where I met with Boris and Natasha, and in a secret chamber we exchanged very sensitive information that must be kept private and top secret. That's all I can say right now. I forgot to say, it has to do with nougat, but you must keep the camera still because you look like we're having an earthquake at the moment.
The message he received is so confidential, he cannot even share it with me. But they gave him the pass to see the Russian dolls. And now we are going to look at them. The power was about to go out. And they brought us this candle so that we would still have some light when the power goes out.
At the end of our meal, they brought the secret microfilm hidden in dessert pieces. 2 pieces to be taken out of the restaurant so that no one would suspect.
We will never know how it ended for anyone except us. And then it was time to leave.
Here we go.
Unexpected. The flight is full to Russia.
I know.